Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Here we are, Thanksgiving 2020. What a year it's been, huh? Guess what? We're still here. Most important, we're still here. Thank God for that. What did we have this year? We had COVID. We had that election. That election, which recently finally just got finalized. And what else? We had those riots, all that. All I can say, why can't we just get along? That's it. Why can't we just get along? The golden rule, do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Can't we just live by that? Things would be a lot simpler. All right, let's talk about shaving. It is 2020, Thanksgiving, and let's take it back to August 11th, 2010. That's when I made my first shaving video. And that was 315 or 314 videos ago. This will be my 315th video. So it's been 10 years. We're going to be thankful for certain things in life, right? I'm thankful to still be here. I'm thankful to be healthy. I'm thankful that my family is healthy. And I'm thankful for all the members of my family that really just in the heart all the time. That's it. Always with me in my heart. Members of my family who are still here and members of my family who have passed on. They may not be here physically, but they are here, right here. So we remember them as well. So whatever you have to be thankful for, please post down below. Let us know. And let's be nice. It is Thanksgiving. And remember that golden rule. I'm thankful for 10 years in business, shavenation.com. I'm thankful for 64,000 YouTube subscribers. And I'm also thankful for plus 17 million video views. So all of you who have supported me all the way from the very beginning up till now, I thank you very much for being there and for following me and for sticking with me all the way through and for supporting Shave Nation. So what I would like to do right now is that very original shaving video that I did August 11th, 2010. I'm going to recreate that and I'll use the exact same products. I will use the 34C. This is the exact razor, the same razor. I don't mean like the 34C. This is the razor I used in the video back in the day. And I will use a feather blade, of course. That's what I used back in the day as well. And then Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood Shaving Cream is what I used. This is not the same tub because I think I finished the tub that I used 10 years ago. So this is a different one. We'll use this. And I will not use a bowl because I didn't use a bowl back in the day in that video. I just did a quick face lather and then got right to the shave. This is the exact same brush I used 10 years ago. Little wooden handle shaving brush. Let's soak the brush in some hot water in this marble cup. Here's a look at it. Just drop it right in. That's going to be our brush. I'm going to warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Got the face good and warm. Let's open up the razor, Merkur 34C. Here's the feather blade. I'll remove it from the paper. Disassemble the razor, two-piece razor. Let's drop the blade right over the post and the two pins like so. Reassemble. All right, razor is ready to rock and roll. Let's crack open the tabs and remove the brush from the water, give it a couple shakes. Go right up in here and load the tips. Just saturate the tips on the brush. A little bit of hot water. And go right to the face. You can see I've got a nice beard growth. Hasn't been 10 years, but it's been a few days. So we'll lather up here. It's a little bit more splay than I'm used to. It falls right over. This brush doesn't have a lot of backbone to it, so would not be my favorite brush today, but 10 years ago, it was sufficient. A little more hot water. Mustache area. And since this brush is so wide and splayed out, just put 2 fingers on there and then right under the nose. That way you can direct it exactly where you want it, not filling up your nostrils with shaving cream. I think I might have mentioned that in the original video. Working into the beard. What do we say now? Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Here we go, the 2020 anniversary shave. Happy Thanksgiving. Let me temper the razor under the hot water. And I'll start on the right side here. Just cut that sideburn, find that angle, tilt out with a handle. Just work my way down. The 34C always has been. I consider it the workhorse of the industry. One of the razors that many of us started with. Filled with stubble and shaving cream. Let's flip to the other side, right down the neckline. Both sides are filled, lots of stubble on there. Let's rinse that out. All kinds of beardage and stubble going down the drain. All right, left side, let's cut the sideburn. Tilt that handle slightly out. Find that angle. And your perfect angle is where the top cap, safety bar, and blade all come together. That's where you want to be. That's your sweet spot. You'll feel it when you get there. Let's rinse that. Down the neck. Now the mustache. Just scoop right under the nose. All right. First pass complete. Let's rinse and we'll do another pass. Let's grab our brush and we'll go right to the face and just relather. Still enough on here for another pass without reloading the tips. A little figure 8 method. Clear the runways again. The first pass was with the grain north to south. We'll start at the bottom and work up. Now across the grain. Rinse that. Across the grain. Clean out that cleft. Now across the mustache. Start in with the corner just underneath the nose. And then lay it flat. Corner. And then flat. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, let's rinse that. There we are, 2 passes complete. After the first or second, If you're clean enough, smooth, you can stop right there. I'm looking super smooth right now, but let me just show you how you can do a third pass and go against the grain on everything. By going against the grain on everything, you'll be super smooth like glass, like a skating rink. A bit more lather. Still enough lather on this brush for this pass, so no problem there. Just a nice thin coating. Will provide a good slickness for that razor to glide across. Clear the runways one more time. Okay, against the grain on everything. Here we go. Let's rinse that. Here you want to ride the cap. You're just going to start with the rounded portion and tilt slightly up just till it catches, and you're going to skim. Just like that. This gets you that baby smooth right there. Beautiful. Now the chin. Same way. Skim. You don't want to scrape. You want to just skim. Now the mustache. Beautiful. Baby smooth right there. Super smooth all around. Let's do a rinse, hot water, then cold water. And let's take our Shave Nation alum block, remove the cap, just wet it under the cold water. Raise it up a bit. Just glide that all around the areas you just shaved. We'll give you some excellent feedback on your shave. If you went a little too close, got a little irritated, you'll get some stinging. But this will seal off any small nicks you may have gotten. Tighten your pores, close your pores. Excellent finish to the shave right here. And it feels good too. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Let's apply some aftershave. Proraso, Alum, and Vitamin E, one of my all-time faves. I didn't use it 10 years ago, but I will now. A few drops of that balm right in the fingertips and just massage that in. A nice cool feeling when you apply it. Provides an excellent layer of protection throughout the day. Didn't even mention it before I brought back the bandana. Actually, this is a buff that you can pull down and use it as a mask. So comes in handy in this 2020 COVID era. We're almost through this. Remember, that which doesn't kill you will make you stronger. In closing, I'd just like to say thank you again to everybody who's supported me over the past 10 years and hopefully the next 10 years. We'll keep pushing on into the future, right? If you want to pick up any of these items used in the video, just click underneath where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell, and then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you'll help me grow my channel even more. Help me grow. I appreciate that. After shaving in that first video, I believe I said, now you're ready to conquer the world, which is true. After a nice shave, that's how you feel. Smooth, ready to kill it. And I said something like, start your day with a great shave, and you will have a great day. And then that got toned down to this. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm out. Oh, I'll see you back here in 10 years for the 20th anniversary shave. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.